Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can add a virtual card in the Revolut application. So first you just have to open your Revolut application, and then from here go ahead and tap on this card icon at the top right. So once you tap on that, you will see here a bunch of different cards. So since we're going to add a new virtual card, we just have to tap on this add new. So once you tap on that, you can pick your cards in here. So you have here debit, joint, credit, freelancer, and for kids. So since we're adding a virtual card, we're gonna have to click on this one. So once you click on that one, you can choose different colors in here. So it depends on you. And then you just have to go ahead and tap on get card for free. So once you tap on that, you will have to put a card name. So go ahead and put a label on the card. So you can label it for subscription, something like that. And then once you're done with it, tap on create card. So once you're done with that, it will appear on your card section. So as you can see, this one is what we've made earlier. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!